How to delete your AudioTool account. First of all, open your browser and go to audiotool.com. Then log into your account using your registered username and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select the Preferences option from the drop-down menu. Here you will see the Delete Account option. Click on it, then select Yes, please delete my AudioTool account button. After clicking, you will be asked to confirm your decision. Make sure you read the warning carefully as deleting your account will permanently remove all your project, tracks and saved data from AudioTool. After reviewing the confirmation, enter your password again if prompted and click on Confirm Delete to complete the process. You may also receive an email confirming that your account has been deleted successfully. Finally, ensure that you have backed up any important music files or projects before deleting your account, as this action cannot be undone. Once deleted, you will no longer be able to access your AudioTool dashboard or any of your previous work. Now you know how to delete your AudioTool account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.